Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. Friends, today we are going to discuss about Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code puts some restriction on our right to private defense. As we know, we as a citizen of India have the right of private defense. It means if there is a apprehension of grievous hurt or life threat, then every individual, every citizen, every Indian has the right to use his private defense to defend his life and property. However, there are certain restrictions, and the restrictions has been clearly categorically mentioned under Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. So today we are going to understand the provision of Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. We will also analyze it and understand it with example. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page, because there are lots of categories of playlists there. These playlists are primarily on legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and various important other issues. So these videos are available in both the language, Hindi as well as English. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, as we know, as the Indian law gives a right to private defense to every citizen of the country. So every citizen, not just every citizen, but everyone in this country who is residing in this country has the right to private defense. However, under certain condition, in certain situation, there are some restriction and limitation on the right to private defense. So this restriction and limitations are mentioned under Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. So today, before analyzing Section 99, let's read what is given under Section 99 in the Bare Act. So Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code says, act against which there is no right of private defense. It means in certain activities, in certain acts, the right to private defense ceases. So now there is no right of private defense against an act which does not reasonably cause the apprehension of death or of grievous hurt if done or attempted to be done by a public servant acting in good faith under the color of his office, though that act may not be strictly justifiable by law. It means if a public servant in his uniform is acting or he is obeying the order of any government or court, then the citizen or the person do not have the right to private defense. Even if the provision further said that even if the act done by the public servant may not be justiciable, it means even if there is a lacuna, even if it is not justiciable, in this situation, in these circumstances also, a private individual do not have a right of self-defense, even unless or until there is a visible apprehension that the person is going to hurt him grievously, or there is an apprehension of life. So these are the conditions, these are the restrictions that the right to private defense ceases to exist in case if an act is done by a public servant in his uniform, in the color of his office. In those circumstances, the right to private defense in India ceases, as it is mentioned under Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. So this is all about Section 99 of the Indian Penal Code. So I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.